It's time to start decorating for Christmas, and this year I'm starting off with my tiered trays. I'll be doing 3 trays, and they are all 3 different trays. I've laid out everything here, all the decor that I have for each tray, and one will be going into the living room. That's a Buffalo Check Farmhouse. One will be going onto my coffee/cocoa bar, and then the last one is for the kitchen, and that one is gingerbread theme. Over here to the side, I have all my risers. Some of these I've made, some are just scrap pieces of wood, blocks, anything that I can find that I always look at and I'm like, oh, I can use that for a tiered tray. So I just gather those up and I have those here. The first tray that I'm starting on is for the living room, and this one is going to be a Farmhouse Buffalo Check theme. I'm using the 3 tiers for this one. I have the 3 trays. I have 2 that are 2-tiered and 1 that is this 3-tiered one right here. And when I'm thinking about the overall look of what I want the tray to be, that decides which tier tray that I use. And this one I wanted it just to be more warm and rustic, and that's why I chose this tray for the living room. I have a variety of decor for all 3 trays, some big, some small, but I typically start off with the larger items, place those, and then kind of fill it in with the smaller items. As you can see here, I am using just a scrap piece of wood, a riser, just to raise that sign up so that we can see it. This tray that I'm using is very deep, so I had to use a lot of risers when decorating this tray. Most of my risers actually went on this tray, but I actually went back to the basement and got some more wood blocks, so I'm just using a lot of wood blocks to raise everything up so that we can actually see. You'll notice a lot of handmade items on these trays in this video today, and that's because making these minis is my absolute favorite thing to make. I make big wood signs, furniture. I make so many things, but minis are my favorite. I love making them. I made a ton last year, and actually I made so many last year that I didn't make any this year. For my trays this year, I didn't make anything because I had so much that I've made in previous years. So these 3 down here, I did make last year.
It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night underneath the mistletoe, and I've gotten you a present that I put under the tree. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. The snow is falling down and the storm is on its way, but as long as you're around, everything will be okay. 'Cause all I wanna do is spend this holiday.
I usually finish off most of my tiered trays off with some type of greenery, and this tray is no different. I am decorating one tray today that will not have any greenery on it, but this one does, and the glitter and the pop of red on every level of this tray, it just kind of brings it all together. And then also the greenery helps fill in where you may have used some risers. It covers everything up that you don't want people to see. So I'm just going through each level and adding some greenery.
Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself, in a cabin out of nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything to be perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me.
The next tray that I'll be working on is this 2-tiered tray, and that will be going on to my coffee bar. My coffee bar will be turned into a coffee/cocoa bar. I do have some marshmallows to put on this tray, but in general, this tray is just more for decor for the bar because I do have other Christmas themed canisters and ideas for when I decorate over there. So you'll have to just stay tuned. That video will be coming shortly. But I'm just taking it room by room this year with my Christmas decorating. And so I'm starting off with the tiered trays, and then I'll be doing the tree in the living room, and also the kitchen, the dining room, and the coffee bar. I know I said that I didn't buy anything for the trays this year, but I realized that I did. That hot cocoa tin, that's actually an ornament, and I got that from Hobby Lobby. So I just got that a couple days ago, and so that is one thing that I did buy for the trays this year.
Is that ever since July, I've been happier than...
I got these little mini spoons last year at Hobby Lobby. When I was there the other day, they do still have them this year. So if you like those little spoons, they're at Hobby Lobby. But I think that they make just the perfect little addition for this tray.
I have ever been, it's safe to say that my love for you is true. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you.
I do usually add the greenery to my trays at the end, but for this tray I did not need it because I have these little fake peppermints, and that's filling in all of the areas that I would normally use the greenery. Like I said before, it just kind of covers up the risers, fills it in, and well, with these the peppermints, and well, I guess with the greenery too, it just brings it all together, adds some extra color. I have no idea where I got these peppermints from. I wish I did, because I would actually order some more, because I can think of so many different tray themes that I could use them in, but I have no idea where I got them. I don't remember how long ago. So if anybody knows, they're just little fake, I think they're foam, but they must have came in a pack, but I have no idea where I got them from, or else I would let you guys know. Sorry about that.
In a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything till we're perfect for this.
For my last tray, I'm using a white 2-tiered tray. I got this at Hobby Lobby, and this tray is going to be going in my kitchen. It's gingerbread theme, and actually it will probably end up sitting in the same exact spot here that I'm decorating it in. I'm not sure yet. I still have the kitchen to decorate, but that's probably where this one will end up. But I am using gingerbread theme for the kitchen because I love my gingerbread men. Every year my mom gets me something to add to my collection, so at this point I do have quite a bit, but I can never have too much gingerbread in my kitchen.
Tomorrow.
I realized when I started decorating this tray that for this tray, everything I made except for the greenery. The risers, the signs, the mini signs, the frame signs, the beads. Actually, I made all of that, not this year. Like I said, I didn't have to make anything this year, but I just wanted to let you guys know that I do have a video that I did for 4th of July, and in that video I made the frame sign and mini signs. I didn't do the beads. If you guys are interested in wanting to know how to do the farmhouse beads or any of the risers that you see there, just let me know. Leave it in the comments and I can do a video like that for you guys. But I'll also link that 4th of July video so that you can see how I do make my mini signs.
Cause all I wanna do is spend this holiday with you. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself. In a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything till we're perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me.
Now that my trays are complete, I am so excited to get started on the rest of the decorating. So this week I will get one more video up, hopefully 2. But I am getting started on the rest of the decorating, and as soon as I finish that up, I will make sure to get the videos up because I'm sure you guys are either already into your decorating or about to begin. So if you aren't a subscriber, please make sure to subscribe and turn on those notifications. And if you did find this video helpful or found some inspiration from it, I would love for you to click that thumbs up button. I hope you enjoy the rest of your day. Bye for now.